Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, your #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day to help you lose weight permanently. Today we're gonna be doing a full body HIIT style workout. Transformers, let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna get started with some squat side steps. You're gonna squat down, step to the right, and step to the left. We got 45 seconds, ready, and let's go. Step to the left, step to the right. Keep that chest up. You're gonna push up through the heels. As you stand up tall, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe out. Make sure you're sticking your bum back the whole time. Step to the left, and step to the right. Yeah, push those knees out. Yeah, we're gonna tone up the legs here. We're gonna burn some calories today. Keep it going, guys. 10 seconds. All right, that's time. Nice work. Our next exercise, we're gonna be going into some butt kicks. You're gonna stay light on your feet and then you're gonna get your heel to your bum. You're gonna run on the spot right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 45 seconds, let's go. Stay light on your feet. Start to pump those arms. Let's get a nice sweat today. Nice work, 30 seconds. Keep it going, guys. Let's go a little bit quicker. We got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. After this, jumping jacks, 2 feet in, 2 feet out. We're gonna go nice and quick right here. Ready position. We're gonna get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 45 seconds, jumping jacks. Pump the arms, pump the legs. Stay light on your feet. Go as fast as you can. I want to get that heart rate up. Warm up the body. Let's get sweaty, guys. 20 seconds. Good work, 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. We're gonna grab some. We got a break coming up. 30 seconds. All right, our next exercise, we're gonna be going bicep curls, elbows tucked in, chest up, and we're gonna curl the arms. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. We're gonna go 45 seconds. Nice and strong with the arms. Keep that chest up. Keep those elbows tucked in. Keep that core tight. Every time you curl, you're gonna breathe out. Nice work, you guys. We're more than halfway there, 20 seconds. Yeah, keep standing up tall. 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Give me one more final squeeze. and that's time. Nice work. Next, you're gonna hold the weights by your side, keep your shoulders back. We're going front squats, down, and then you're gonna press up, stand up tall. Ready? 2, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Squats. Push the floor away from you. Push up through the heels. Stick your bum back. Go work, guys. We got 20 seconds. Yeah, let's do a few more. Get extra low. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Next, we're gonna do some shoulder presses. We're gonna strengthen the arms and triceps. Weight's gonna be right on your shoulders. Make sure those elbows are right underneath the weight, and you're gonna press straight up to the ceiling. Ready? 2, 1, and let's go. 45 seconds. Push nice and strong on the way up. Control on the way down. Strong on the way up, breathe out. Control on the way down, keep it going. You wanna go full range of motion over here. All the way up, all the way down. Nice and strong with the arms and shoulders. Good work, you guys. Start to feel a little burn. We got 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, we're gonna place the weights back down. Good, you get a quick break coming up. Go ahead and set up your mat. We're gonna be finishing off with some core. Okay, you got a 30-second break. Grab your mat, and then we're gonna get started with some core. If you need to grab some water, you can as well. All right, guys, let's get ready for our next exercise. We're gonna be doing some crunches, straight arm crunches. Arms straight, you're gonna look straight up to the ceiling. Get both those shoulders off the floor. Reach up, breathe out, and back down. Ready? 2, 1, let's go. We got 45 seconds. Reach up, and back down. Keep the core tight the whole time. Try to get both those shoulders off the floor. Up, and back down. Keep that core tight the whole time. Halfway there, we got less than 20 seconds. Shoulders up, squeeze the upper abs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's work. All right, next we're gonna target the lower abs with some reverse crunches. You're gonna make sure your back is nice and flat on the floor. You're gonna lift your hips and your legs straight up to the ceiling, and then you wanna go slow on the way down. Ready? 2, 1, let's go. Every time you lift the hips, you're gonna breathe out. Try to go slow on the way down. And then as soon as you come down, go straight back up. Yeah, feel that core working. Keep the head back. Keep the shoulders back. Keep your lower back nice and flat against the floor. Nice work, guys. Less than 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's work. All right, we're gonna flip over. We got some mountain climbers next. You're gonna be in a plank position, hands underneath the shoulders, bum tucked in, and we're gonna drive the knees up right here. Ready? 2, 1. We're gonna finish off with some mountain climbers for the last exercise. Let's go nice and quick. Pretend like you're sprinting on the spot. Yeah, go as fast as you can. Squeeze that core. Yeah, drive those knees up. Continue to breathe. Pretend like someone's sitting on your back. Yeah, squeeze that core, suck in that core. We got 20 seconds. 10 seconds hard. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for a free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.